Ain't paying for shit. It'll come out of their deposit.
Well, yeah, I know, but you know what I'm saying.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, Brian.
No, they just said call if we needed him.
What?
Call if we needed him. What I want you to do. Come out. Come out. Come out.
Hold on.
Come out here right now. Come out here. All right?
Down! Down!
Okay, keep your hands up.
I have a few questions.
On your stomach! Do it
Now, now. Do it now. Do it now.
I'm not a threat. Please. I have a couple of questions.
Yeah, we'll answer your questions here in just a minute. Go ahead and cuff him. Go ahead and cuff him. Go ahead and cuff him.
Please.
Hey, man. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Chill, dude. Chill. It's fine.
Before I go downstairs, I need to make sure that my cats are fed, my house is locked, and I have to give my
Okay,
house key.
hey. We will go inside with you, all right? We'll let you take care of your shit. You came out the door, but let's get you hooked up first, okay?
I
Okay?
don't know what happened to me. Take care of my
No,
ticket.
we're